Hello guys, hope you will be fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to this video. And one thing, you must write all these questions on your classwork notebook. Okay. Today we are discussing unit number 3 review exercise, and today we solve its 3 questions. First of all, we solve question number 1 of review exercise 3. In question number 1, we have to answer the following questions. Part number 1 is define the terminating decimals. Its answer is a decimal in which the number of digits after the decimal point is finite is called terminating decimal. You can say after the decimal point the number of digits is finite, or you can say there are 2, 3 or 4 or 5 and they are not non-terminating, or you can say they are not going to infinite, then that decimal are called terminating decimal. Part number 2. Part number 2 is write the name of 2 classes of decimal. We already learned there are 2 types of decimals. Number 1 is terminating decimal and number B is non-terminating decimals. Now we solve its part number 3. Part number 3 is which of the non-terminating decimals are called recurring decimals. Its answer is the non-terminating decimals in which a single digit or a block of digits repeats itself. Maybe single digit is repeating or a block of digits. For example, 3.232323. Here, which is the block? 23 is the block of digits that is repeating itself infinite number of times after the decimal point is called the recurring decimal. It's part number 4. Part number 4 is how many digits after a decimal point show a non-terminating decimal. Its answer is infinite. Again, part number 4 is how many digits after a decimal point show a non-terminating decimal. Only infinite. Okay. Part number 5. Part number 5 is write the rule to find whether a given rational number is terminating or not. Its answer is if the denominator of the rational number in standard form has no prime factor other than 2.5 or 5 and 5. There are 3. Okay. Then and only then the rational number is terminating decimal. If a rational number containing in denominator the prime numbers of 2 and 5, then that are called that number is in terminating form. If other than 2 and 5, then that is not in a terminating form, that is non-terminating form. Now its part number 6 is what is meant by the term round off in decimal. Its answer is the term round off is used to leave the digit after the decimal point. Now question number 2. Again, you can take a screenshot of these answers by stopping the screen and then write down the answer. You can write these questions from your book and then write the answer by taking screenshot of this screen and then write down these answers on your classwork register and must submit these registers on Saturday. Now question number 2. Question number 2 sorry. Question number 2 of review exercise is fill in the blanks. Open your textbook, page number 45. Part number 1 of question number 2 is a dash decimal may be recurring or non-recurring. Its answer is non-terminating decimal. Part number 2. 2 parts of decimal number separated by a dot is called the decimal point. That dot is called decimal point. Okay. Part number 3. In terminating decimals, division dash after a finite number of steps. Terminates after a finite number of steps. You know that in terminating decimals, division is stop, or terminates means stop or terminates after a finite number of steps. Only in terminating decimal, non-decimal it is not terminate, not stop, it is continuing block of digits or digits. Part number 4. In decimal, the term round off is used to leave the digit after dash. Dash is decimal point. Okay, again in decimal point, the term round off is used to leave the digit after the decimal point. Part number 5. A fraction will be terminating if the dash, if the denominator has 2 or 5 or both as factors, then the fraction is terminating, otherwise non-terminating. This is question number 2. Now we are solving question number 3. Question number 3 is tick the correct answer. Its part number 1 is to separate a whole number from fractional part in a decimal, we use the symbol. A is dash, B is dot, C is 2 dots that are used for ratio, D is slash. Its answer will be B, yes, dot. Part number 2. Part number 2 is if we round off the decimal 3.7461 up to 2 decimal places, we get A 3.74, B 3.7, C 3.84, D 3.75. Yes, its answer is D, that is 3.75. Must open your textbook, that is at the page, must open your textbook page number 45, where we are solving these questions. Part number 3. Part number 3 is a rational number is terminating decimal if its denominator has no prime factors other than A part 2 and 3, B part 3 and 5, C is 2 and 5, D is 2 and 7. Yes, C. Its answer is C, 2 and 5. Part number 4. Part number 4 is when we change 0.25 to the rational number, we get part number A 1 over 2, part number B 1 over 3, part number C 1 over 4, part number D 1 over 7. Its answer is C, that is 1 by 4. I hope you understand this exercise. Next we solve question number 4, 5, 6 in next video. If you have any problem in any question, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number, and also all my lectures are available on YouTube. So if you have any problem in any exercise, in any question, you can search and you can find the question, and then you can also use these links. You can also save these links. If you have any problem anytime, you can by using these links you can easily solve the question. Allah Hafiz.